Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you all about a face wash that I got my hands on from the Biotique. It is the Biotique Bioneem face wash which comes in a pack of 2. Now this is easily available on Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon and also on their official website. Biotique as a brand is a mix of ancient Ayurveda and modern technology, and it makes all natural and herbal products for skin, hair and body. Coming to the packaging of the product, like you can see, it is a transparent plastic tube, but the cap is not very sturdy, so there is definitely a chance of the product falling out, so you can definitely not travel with this one. But however, there is a bottle form which is available in the same variant by Biotique, so you can check that out instead of this. But if you travel with this one, there is a chance of all your clothes and belongings getting messy, and that's the last thing you want. Now this product retails for 135 and there is a total of 150 ml product in this tube right here, which is amazing for the price that it offers because it is super long lasting. You just need a pea-sized amount to create the right amount of lather. Next, talking about the texture and consistency, it is not too thick, it is not too runny, it is medium in nature, just like how a face wash should be, and it creates the right amount of lather to cleanse your face thoroughly. And everyone who has used an aloe vera gel will know that this exactly looks and feels like aloe vera gel. I will show you all. This is what it looks like. It has a very lightweight consistency to it, and it feels very smooth on the skin. And also the fragrance is not very overpowering. It is quite mild and smooth. The key ingredients of this product are ashwagandha root, kulanjan, neem bark, retha fruit, madhu, coconut oil and purified water. And the main key ingredient is Bioneem. Now neem is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial in nature, and it helps to reduce the melanin of your skin, thereby giving it an even skin tone. It also helps to reduce dark spots, blemishes and redness. So I have used this product a couple of times, so I can give you all my honest review on the same. Firstly, this product claims to say that it is suitable for all skin types, which is absolutely not true. I am an oily skin type, and in spite of using it, it did make my skin dry and stretchy to a certain extent, which I absolutely didn't like. So imagine if you have dry to combination skin, it will make it extremely dry and flaky. So kindly do not purchase this if you're one of those skin types. Other than that, it also claims to say that it helps to prevent pimples and purify your complexion, which is absolutely not true, because I had 2 pimples. It did not reduce my redness or my inflammation. In fact, it just ended up giving me one more bump on my face, and I was extremely disturbed by that. And it says that it is 100% soap free, which is true because of the retha fruit ingredient that is there in this tube. And it says that it helps to dissolve makeup, but please directly do not go and use the face wash to get rid of your makeup. Always make sure to use a micellar water or a cleanser, because this is gel form, so it is quite a task to remove this only with water. So this brings us to the end of the review. I hope you all enjoyed watching it and found it informative. If you all did, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon down for more updates related to beauty, skincare and makeup. And now coming back to this product, I would rate it 2.5 out of 5 as it was a very big letdown for me. I definitely did not enjoy using this face wash. There are better alternatives available in the market, which I will be talking about in my next video. You can definitely check out the Himalaya face wash range, which is way better than this one. So thank you so much, and I'll see you all soon in my next one. Until then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.